Hello, good morning, and why is the 25mm on? Hold on. Alright, that's much better. Hello, and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. In today's vlog, we're going to be headed back to Pro Dipper to see if we can do that detail that I told you about in the video where we tinted the lights. And that should be an element under the hood. We're gonna paint something Ferrari red. So stick around. Today's vlog will be curious. Also, I did not get an extra battery and I'm on 2 bars, so we don't know how that's gonna end up. Also, I just remembered why I had the 25mm on. Last night when I was coming back from work, I saw an Aventador Roadster and I stopped by to take a picture of it. And the 25mm is a 1.7 aperture, so it's really good in low light situations. And those pictures I take for Instagram. So if you do like seeing pictures of cars on Instagram, head over to CarGhostNY on Instagram, hit the follow button. Alright, we just got to Pro Dipper shop. Here is Slate, and here is Phil's car. It's frosted silver, if I'm not mistaken. It's due for a refresh. It's gonna be wrapped another color. I mean, plastic dipped another color. But his 335 is pretty sick, and he also got his tail lights lightly smoked, which really looks very nice. There you go. Frosted silver. Looks awesome. Also, he has a bunch of wheels in the car because he's always riding. That guy's always working. Props for him. So what we're doing, we're gonna take this thing out and paint this. What, Ferrari red? Yeah. Ferrari red. Okay, so Phil will be the operator. I'm gonna see if I can take this thing apart. That comes out easy. Ish. Kind of. That later on. Let's see.
Super easy, huh?
That wasn't hard. Grab a piece of plastic, wrap it around this thing so no particles go out. And it's the air box. And if you ever want to change your filters, both of them are right here. Alright, so I actually ended up leaving the car again because Autoflex, which is what I want the car sprayed, the filter box sprayed with, dries for about 7 hours, so I don't want to stick around for 7 hours. I'm gonna go walk around, go to the city, grab something to eat, and today you guys are actually coming with me. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll come back and pick up the car later on.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Alright, I usually hate the train rides, but this one was worthy because we're in Midtown Manhattan over here, and this is Columbus Circle and Time Warner Building. And I'm gonna go real quick, grab some coffee, then maybe have some lunch with my wife in her lunch break. And if I have time, I'll stop at a cigar shop around the corner, have a smoke. Well, stick with me. Alright, so I just got a little pan au chocolat from my son Kaiser and a single espresso. I'm gonna sit right here on one of these cube-like things in front of the Museum of Art Design and have my coffee. And we'll continue with the day right afterwards. Alright, don't get triggered, but I'm pretty sure I just did you a favor by not showing you how the pan au chocolat looked, because it was so good you'd have drooled all over your keyboard or electronic device or whatever you're looking at this video on. Had to buy a bottle of water because it's really hot today, and here is the video of Genève where we're going to have a cigar, just see what kind of selection they have. Pretty sure it's good. The humidor and the smoking area on the other side. There was a very nice air-conditioned room in Davidoff where I enjoyed half of my cigar, but I didn't want to film there because, you know, I want to respect people's privacy that were there. So, but it's really nice and cozy. We continue with the day. Stay tuned. We gotta have to go pick up the car by the end of this video, and so I can show you how the airbox cover came up. Alright, now is the next day and we're back to BAM's Auto Body. It's the next day because Autoflex didn't get to dry that fast as I wanted to. So I had to leave it overnight, and next morning I'm gonna pick it up, then I'm off to the beach. Let's see the parts. Installed and ready. It looks really cool. I'm very happy with what Pro Dipper did to the little air box. Just thinking of some new projects now. So I think that must increase at least 100 horsepower on Slate. Let me know, guys, in the comments below if you like it. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up because, you know, it's a cool thing to do. Also smash them if that's something you do. If you like the channel, the daily vlogs, the little tutorials, product reviews, and car meets that I attend, hit the subscribe button. Why not the bell button as well, since notifications are cool these days. Just like that, this video will be over and I'm gonna go to the beach, so have a good day.